Welcome to A Minute with Mike. Today we're going to go through keyboard shortcuts. So if you go to our website, we have in our knowledge base, you can do a search for keyboard shortcuts and this will come up. You can click on the PDF and you'll get this page here. So the first page is the mouse buttons. This second page is the keyboard shortcuts, and there's things like Control S for save. So it makes it easy instead of having to go up to press the button. Control D for duplicate is one of my favorite ones. Control P for print, Control R for report, F8 for exporting machining. So things like that, and there's a few more on there as well. So just quickly today, we're going to go through here. Hold down Shift button, draw a wall, and let's make my wall stay at 0 or 90 degrees and 45s. So if you let go of the Shift button, you'll see that it lets you freehand. So it's quick and easy to draw a wall. If I grab a cabinet and put another cabinet next to it, you hold down the Control key on your keyboard, and then you press the left mouse button. You can then align the two sides of the cabinets together, and when you let go of the mouse while still holding Control, the cabinet will shrink to fit. So that's nice and easy to get a cabinet shrink to a gap. You can now also, just to finish that off, you go make even, and then now they're all the same size. But Control D, I'll shrink this one down. If I go Control D, it will duplicate that cabinet to exactly what I've just done. And if I make this bigger, Control D, again, I'll get another one of those as well. So Control D is a really cool button to have as well, just duplicating new ones as well. So make sure you go and check the keyboard shortcuts on our knowledge base. This has been A Minute. Thanks very much.